Hey guys, my name is Daniel and this is D-Tech, and as always, I'm really glad to see you on my channel. Well, today I got another product and this is... Hello guys, my name is Daniel and this is D-Tech, and as always, really happy to see you on my channel. Today I got another product and this is the Google Nest Mini. I've been using this product for like 2 months or maybe something like that. And I need to tell you that I have some... Yeah, you will find out.
Listen.
Before we actually start the review and unboxing the product, I would like to tell you that I have a plan. And the plan is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. If you think that my videos are useful and you think that you can give me a helping hand, just click that subscribe button. Thank you very much. So let's begin. As we are opening the box, we will have our Google Nest Mini right away. So this is our Google Nest Mini. It is in charcoal color, so the black one, and I think it looks pretty nice. After that we will get in this cardboard situation, and as we get this cardboard out, we will see our paperwork. We have here a quick start guide, a safety warranty and regulatory manual, and also pretty important piece of paper. In my opinion, this is the most important one, and I would like to read this text because it may be useful for a lot of people. After all, we are talking about our privacy. We are obviously getting a 1.5 meter cable in this box as well, and an adapter as well, so pretty nice. Thank you very much, Google. So this is the paper, the gray one, and we can have this text right here. Being part of your home means respecting your privacy. Here's how to control your privacy on Google Nest Mini. And on the paper stands that microphones are built into Nest Mini, so you can use your voice to ask the Google Assistant for help, make calls and more. Audio is only sent to Google when Nest Mini detects you're interacting with the assistant, such as when you say, "Hey Google," or if you're using a feature that relies on audio, for example audio calling. Whenever Nest Mini sends your audio to Google, you'll see lights pulsing on the top of the device. You can review and delete your query data at any time at myactivity.google.com. To physically turn off the microphones, slide the mic switch on the slide of the Nest Mini. This switch, which can be accessed remotely, makes the microphones completely inoperable. When the mics are turned off, you'll see 4 orange lights on the top of the Nest Mini. To turn the microphones back on, you'll need to slide the switch back. So guys, this is the Google Nest Mini, which is actually the second generation of the Google Home Mini, but it is a bit better. Unfortunately, I never had a Google Home Mini, so I'm not able to make a fair comparison between them now, but I'm looking forward to get one in the studio. Let's start with some statements from Google. Bigger, richer sound. Google Nest Mini has 2 times stronger bass than the original Mini 1. Made with the environment in mind. Durable fabric, top made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. Improved voice recognition. First of all, let's have some technical specs. It has a diameter of 98 mm and a height of 42 mm. The device weighs around 180 grams and it has a 1.5 meter long power cable. It comes in different colors. To be more specific, it is available in 4 different colors. There is the chalk, the charcoal, the coral and the sky. The chalk is more white, the charcoal stands for black, the coral is actually a peachy pinkish color, and the sky is a light blue. The biggest part of the device is made from recycled plastic bottles, and as we can find on Google's site, the external enclosure is made with at least 35% post-consumer recycled plastic. You can connect to your Google Nest Mini with a 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection or Bluetooth 5.0. But wait, there is more. It has also built-in Chromecast. The charging port of the device houses a DC power jack which supplies the little machine with more than enough juice. Obviously, it has a built-in Google Assistant, an amazing 360-degree sound with a 40mm driver, it has 3 far-field microphones, and it uses the voice match technology to make sure that you are the only one who is giving orders in the house. This device is pumped up with some capacitive touch controls, which are the most usable to adjust the volume. It has a 1.4 GHz quad-core 64-bit ARM CPU and obviously a high-performance machine learning hardware engine. It supports both Android and iOS. There are some requirements in order to be able to use the Google Nest Mini. Let's see which are these. You will need a Wi-Fi router, an electrical socket, and the Google Home app. You need to know that the Google Home app is running only on devices that have at least Android 6.0 or iOS 12.0. Okay, right, let's slow down a little bit. We can see a lot of specs here which are obviously good, but what exactly can we do with this little machine? Actually, it works like a newspaper. Oh no. Better a translator? No, wait, dictionary? Yeah, calculator, a receipt book? What about all of these? But no, really, all of these. Yes, so this little mesmerizing device can be your personal assistant. You can set your shopping list, reminders, timers, alarm, you can ask for info about the traffic in a specific area, but this is just the beginning because it is capable of a lot of things. I will post this to the comment section so you can check it out later. So, back to where we was. Actually, you can manage tasks, for example, by sending a text message, setting a reminder, turning on the battery saver. You can plan your day, ask for help in navigation, find the quickest way to the airport. Okay, so listening to a song is just simple. You just need to say and then play, for example, Muddy Waters Bar LP on YouTube, and it will just simply play it for you. And the most important thing, at least for me, is the home control option. Let me tell you what I named the home control option. Well, I think that it is simply fantastic to control your own home and all of the devices on your home simply with your voice. Also, I need to mention that Google Home and Google Nest are partners of many companies. For music and entertainment, you can find obviously YouTube and YouTube Music, but Deezer, Spotify, and so on. If you are most interested in the smart home possibilities, you will be happy to see Google Home, Google Nest, Philips Hue, Sony, Xiaomi, TP-Link, Nvidia Shield, and so on. For news and publishing, you will find on the list, for example, Sky Sports, The Guardian, The Sun, Financial Times, and these are only a few from the hundreds of partner companies. To be honest with you, it is hard to find a company which has no partnership with Google. Okay, so what can you actually do with this device? Well, I think that the best possible answer we can find on the Google website, because they can describe literally everything this little mesmerizing device can do, and I couldn't actually test all of them until this point because there are so many. So, for example, you can watch or listen to media, of course. There is a voice match possibility, so you can share your speakers or displays with family and friends. You can link your Google account and voice to your speaker or display to get personalized info. There is a music possibility, so you can play music from popular music services by artist, songs, genre, album, playlist, mood, or activity. There is the news. You can get the latest news from sources you trust. You can watch the news, obviously, watching the news on any voice-supported TV with Chromecast or Chromecast built-in. You can also watch the news. Yes, because you can watch the news on any voice-supported TV with the Chromecast or with the Google Nest Mini because it has one built-in Chromecast. You can actually connect via Bluetooth and play your stored music from your other devices. You can also listen to audiobooks and a lot of things. So guys, this was the video about the unboxing and review of the Google Nest Mini. If you think that the video was useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe that, just hit that button. It actually costs you nothing and it helps me a lot. So thank you very much again, and see you in the next one.
Listen. Prepare to chuckle, or groan. Why did the man work in a barn for his whole life? Because it was a stable career,